Like, is this the last one of the day? I don't see the last one of the
Probably, but you're going to stop at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go.
Can we go down Highlander? You guys keep going back to Snow Shed?
Oh, okay. Wait, Highlander? Oh, you can go down Highlander.
I gotta go to Killington.
Okay, yeah. I'm not going down Highlander.
I mean, you can take Highlander back down this thing, right?
Okay, sure.
Can you?
Yeah,
I mean, it's not. I don't feel like doing the learn to ski roll.
Yeah,
you don't have to go through learn to ski.
Yeah, you're going to have to go through that area.
If you want to do any appreciable amount of time, yeah.
Okay, fair enough. If you don't want to do it, no worries.
No, I really don't. We'll see you back there.
Alright, sounds good.
Grab your pole. Pole.
Yep.
Okay, sir.
Wait, just real quick. Am I recording you right now?
No.
It's too high?
No, it's not on.
It's not on?
So complicated. You're recording.
Is it on now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it recording you?
No, it's booting up. Now hit record. Okay.
Is
Yeah.
it recording you or is it too high?
I don't know.
You're too far away.
Here, I'll come closer.
Yeah, that's fine, I guess.
That's fine? Okay. Alright.
See you later.
Send me your address.
Yeah, good luck.
Once you get in the car or whatever, just text me.
No, that's not the point. You'll see. I really feel like just burning down the right side of the trail.
Right side, this side?
Yeah. Just boom. But how about the scenery first? Late day scenery. Yay. See, this is what I mean when I say I can't explain. This means like. So it's silent. That was fun.
Yeah, I can't ski as fast as you anymore.
That's only because I'm using different form.